An ostomy belt can be used to help enhance your pouching system adhesion. It might also provide you with a sense of security during regular wear or activities. Your healthcare professional may have also recommended the use of an ostomy belt to enhance convexity if you are using a convex skin barrier.
If you plan to attach an ostomy belt, your pouching system must have belt loops. On a Hollister one-piece system, you will find these between the pouch and the skin barrier. If you are using a two-piece system, you will find the belt loops on the pouch flange. To use an ostomy belt, first apply your pouching system as you have been instructed. The ostomy belt is adjustable and fits a range of sizes. Find the belt that fits you and then attach the belt to one belt loop on the pouch. The tab on the belt should be facing away from your skin. Next, pull the belt and ensure the tab is engaged in the locked position. Now you want to wrap the belt around the back of your waist so that it is about 1.5 to 2 inches away from the next belt loop when unstretched. To do that, you may need to adjust the length of the belt. Now stretch the belt and attach it to the remaining belt loop with the belt tab facing away from your skin. Again, pull the belt and ensure that the tab is engaged in the locked position. The belt should be in line with the belt loop positions.
The belt should be snug, but not too tight, as this can cause pressure areas. With the belt attached, you should be able to comfortably slide 2 fingers between the belt and your skin. If the belt rides up to your natural waistline, reposition as necessary. Ostomy belts are meant to be reused, but they will stretch out with repeated use. They can be hand washed, but belts should typically be replaced 2 to 3 times per year to help ensure their effectiveness. Most people have at least 2 belts, one to wear and one for backup.